this for my sweet queen. So first I cut the front part of the pant, then this is the back part. So I place the two of them together so that you can see the back is bigger, wider than the front. Okay, so this is the front part I'm working on. The first thing is to locate the crotch depth. I brought out my calculator to do the calculation. If you like, you can calculate on your head. So this is crotch depth. I extend the line. So on the crotch depth, you put the hip divided by 4 plus your crotch extension. On the waist, you put the waist circumference divided by 4 plus your seam allowance, and then you finish the crotch area just like this. Then you look at your knee. On your knee, you put the knee measurement or how tight or loose you want it to be. Then you connect from the crotch all the way to the knee. Next, so you connect from the knee all the way to the M line straight up, just like you're seeing. All right, so you go ahead and cut this out. The front is ready. We're going to be using this front to cut out the back. So I place the front on top of the other piece that I cut out for the back earlier, just like this. The back is wider than the front, okay, because of the back crotch extension is longer than the front crotch extension. Okay, so this is how it looks. Make sure you arrange it nicely. Okay, the other thing that is that the style is having elastic at the back. Yes, there's elastic at the back, so I make sure the back is longer by extra 0.75 around the waist area, okay, so that I can use it to create the elastic casing for the back. Okay, if you want me to drop the tutorial for this, like a detailed tutorial on my YouTube channel, let me know so that I can make this style for myself and then I'll film it. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you want like a complete tutorial. So go ahead and input all the back measurements just like you're seeing. All right, and then go ahead, you cut this out. And when you cut it out, this is how it looks. So the next thing is to cut the upper part. For the upper part, the first thing I did was to fold the fabric into 2, and then from the M line, I measure upward the waist length plus my seam allowance. So the waist length was 17, so I measure for 17.5. Then after that, I also measure the waist length minus 1 inch. Okay, don't forget to add seam allowance of 5 inches down as well. So after that, you fold it into 2 like this. By the time you do it like this, it's into 4 folds. So that means you're cutting front and back together. All right, so this line that I rule is the nipple point line. So you measure from the shoulder. Then at that point, you put the bust circumference divided by 4. And you know it's kimono, so you put your seam allowance as well as your hips. So for the M line, I just brought out the pants and just use it to get exactly what it should be, because you know we are attaching the upper part to the down part, obviously. So the next thing is to put the neck. So for the neck weight, I did 4.5. The neck depth for the back is 1.5, and then the front neck depth, that's what I curve like that. As you can see, this thing I'm cutting now, this is the front neck depth. Okay, so make sure you lift the first 2 up first before you cut the neck. All right, and that is that is basically it's very simple. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is just to cut out the band or the collar that you're going to put on the neckline. Make sure you fuse it with your facing. The width for this is 1.75 inches, and just go ahead and copy it. Don't forget to shop your craft fabric from me.